This is obviously a vintage sewing machine, so it's not going to thread the same way as all of them. One thing that is useful, and that's true whatever your sewing machine's direction is, whether the eye of the needle is facing you or if it's to the side, the flat side of the needle should go against the post, and then whatever direction the bobbin is, that's the direction of your thread. Here's another tip. I threaded this on the first try just from experience. A lot of people put it in their mouth. I really don't recommend that. Saliva goes in your machine and that's just disgusting. Instead, if you're having trouble, snip off the tip. Another thing I'm going to show you is people tend to stick scissors or whatever to tease up their bobbin thread. Another super bad practice. One, it ruins your scissors. And the second thing is it can mess with your feed dogs over time. You may get chips on your scissors, which are called burrs, these little sharp points. Here's the bobbin thread. It's long enough to pull up. And I'm going to hold on to the tail and wind the wheel toward me. The hand wheel should always go toward you, never away from. If I pull this up gently a couple times, it's already caught the other thread. And if I pull it up gently, I can tease that thread up without sticking anything sharp or damaging. But if you must stick something in there, I would recommend something like cardboard, which still is bad because the fuzz gets down in there, but it's less damaging than sticking something sharp or metal. Have them long, but not so long that they interfere with the sewing. They get caught up back in your seam. So there you have it, and you push your tails back and away from you toward the left. A little tutorial on how to properly tease up the thread from your bobbin. Let's go to the sewing.